I'm about to guide you through the best cold email software called Salesforge. I'll show you exactly how you can onboard and start sending cold emails with Salesforge today, booking sales calls and landing clients. I will also highlight and explain important features so you could achieve the best deliverability amongst your competition. So let's get started. First of all, you of course will need to create an account and sign up. Lucky for you, Salesforge offers a free trial, so you don't need to spend any money to try out the software. The first thing you'll want to do after you sign up is connect your mailboxes. Salesforge offers free email warmup, so we want to take advantage of that and start warming up our mailboxes as soon as possible. This is because before you can send any cold emails, you need to warm up your mailboxes for at least 14 days, so it's best to take care of that ASAP. Connecting your mailboxes is super easy. Click Add Mailbox and you'll see a few options. First, if you don't have any mailboxes, I suggest you select one of the first two options. InfraForge and MailForge are products that help you get domains and create mailboxes in minutes by automating the setup. I'll link their guides here. Now, if you have Gmail or Outlook mailboxes, you can simply connect them by following the tutorials listed in these tabs. If anything, our support is there to help you. You can of course connect any other provider with IMAP and SMTP setup with ease. Or even use Bulk Email Connect feature to connect a ton of mailboxes at once. If you use MailForge or InfraForge to create the mailboxes, you can use this feature to finish the setup in minutes. Once you connect your mailboxes, you'll see something that looks like this. You can turn the warm-up on and off. You should always keep it on. You get an overview of scheduled emails today, as well as how many have been sent and cold email limit on that mailbox. You can also adjust everything by going to your mailbox settings. There you can change your first and last name, daily sending limit, add custom domain tracking, edit your signature, and warm-up. I highly suggest leaving warm-up and email sending limits on default. The best practice is sending 30 cold emails and 20 warm-up emails a day, a total of 50 emails sent per day. Let's go over to the Contacts tab. This is where you'll store all of your leads. Adding contacts is super simple. Click on Add Contacts and select your preferred method. You can upload a CSV, link a Google Sheet, or add a single contact manually. Once you upload your contacts, Salesforge will map their fields for you. But if you'd like, you can adjust the fields to your liking or add custom ones. These fields can later be used for email personalization with custom variables. You can create custom tags for your leads to differentiate them. You'll also see variables you added as well as your lead status. Status shows their email status. Emails can be valid, invalid, or catch all emails. You should be only reaching out to valid emails. Otherwise, you'll go to spam and ruin your mailbox reputation. Now you'll need to head over to the Forge tab. Here you'll set up your products and knowledge. I'll tell you why you need them later. Let's start off with products. Products will be used to hyper-personalize your cold emails at mass. Salesforge.ai will use information you provide together with scraped data about your prospect to write icebreakers, relevant offers, and personalized call to actions. This way you get insane deliverability and reply rate, much better than any other platform. To add a new product, click Add a New Product. And here you'll need to add information about your product. First, name the product to differentiate it from other products in the software. Then select language and add the real product name. Industry, ideal customer's profile, pain, solution, and cost of inaction. Every part has an explanation that you can see by hovering over the question mark. Once you're done, save it. I also suggest updating your knowledge base by uploading a new file. Your knowledge base is used to help you quickly reply to your prospect questions or handle objections. I'll show you how that works in a bit. But to add a new file, simply click Add New File and upload a PDF or a text file about your company. Upload basic information about your company, products, pain points, solutions, frequently asked questions and answers, and pricing. If you'd like, comment PDF and I'll share a template you can fill in and upload to Salesforge. Once you upload it, click Add File and close. Then AI will take some time to learn about you and your company. If you followed everything up until now, you're ready to create your first sequence. Simply head over to the sequences and click Create a New Sequence. You'll then need to name your sequence, select the product we just created, as well as select the sequence language. After that, click Add Contacts and select all the contacts you want to upload to this sequence. You can filter by tags, status, custom variables, or even exclude leads you've contacted in the past. Once you add your contacts, you'll be able to validate their emails. Either skip it or click Start Validation Process. Once the validation process is done, select only valid emails and proceed. Now you'll be building your cold email sending sequence. There are 3 ways to go about it. First and worst option is to write a templated email. Templated emails are emails that follow a certain template. For example, a greeting plus compliment plus offer plus a CTA. I share how to write amazing emails and the best template in this video right here. So if you choose to send templated emails, definitely take a look at this video. Templated emails have the worst deliverability and the worst results, but if you go with them, make sure you spin text everything by clicking the Autospintax button. This way your email will be randomized and appear unique to each recipient, tricking the email service providers into thinking that you're writing emails yourself. Apart from Spintax, you of course should use variables like your prospect's first name and company name, or anything custom like their location. Second, better option is to send a templated email with an AI-generated personalized icebreaker at the start. You can use salesforge.ai feature to write an icebreaker based on your prospect's LinkedIn or website. This way you'll take advantage of the preview text, increase your open and reply rate. This option is great for people who have a winning template but don't want to spend hours manually personalizing each email. Third and best option is fully written AI emails. This is where Salesforce will use your product information we created and linked earlier to gather the information it finds about your lead from their LinkedIn profile and website. This way all of the emails you send are unique to your recipient, boosting your deliverability as well as your reply rates. To set up AI written emails, click Generate with AI and you'll be able to adjust AI settings. First, you'll need to add a fallback template for Salesforce to use in case your lead doesn't have any information about them. Then you can adjust the information source, which can be LinkedIn profile, website, or both. Select your desired tonality and enable dynamic languages. Dynamic languages option will translate your email to your recipient's language. This increases the reply rate even more. After adjusting everything, you'll be done with AI written emails. Now AI will write unique icebreaker, craft offer based on your prospect, and create a personal CTA, completing the formula of the best email. If you're experienced, I suggest AZ testing these 3 options to see which one of them gets the best results for you in your niche. Next, you can add more steps, or in other words, email follow-ups. These are emails that will be sent after your specified amount of time if the prospect doesn't reply until then. You can also AZ test follow-ups if you'd like. For the best results, I suggest to send no more than 2 or 3 follow-up emails. The content of each follow-up should be different, but it really depends on your strategy. You can share case studies, freebies, or send simple bumps. If you're done, you can click next. And if you chose to send AI written emails, you'll get a preview of an AI written email. If it satisfies you, simply proceed. If not, go back and adjust the filters. Next, you can adjust your schedule by choosing a time zone you'd like to send the emails in, as well as the weekdays and hours. Last part of the sequence is the settings. First, select which mailboxes you'd like to use for this sequence. The more, the better. Next, you can turn on open rate tracking. This is not recommended, but if you choose to do that, make sure you set up custom domain tracking. You also have other settings like link tracking and plain text only, bound shield, multi-threading options, unsubscribe and opt-out settings, pausing, and CC and BCC recipients. Adjust everything to your liking and your sequence is ready to go. Beautiful part about Salesforce is that whenever you get a reply, you won't need to view each of your mailboxes to see which one the reply went to. No, Salesforce has a Primebox where you can view all the replies from all of your mailboxes. Here you can also reply and talk to your prospects, eventually booking a call. Out of office replies are automatically filtered out. You can mark positive or negative replies with provided labels, or you can create your own custom label. Once you select any reply, you'll have a few options. You can move your lead to a do not contact list, move them to another sequence, delete their reply, or reply to the email. If you choose to reply to the email, you'll see a little AI draft button. This is why we uploaded information into the knowledge base we found in the Forge. AI draft feature can help you answer questions and handle objections, replying quicker and closing more deals. You can of course write the replies manually or forward the emails. In the app settings, you get an overview of your usage and remaining credits. You have the option to cancel or upgrade your subscription, adjust workspace members and user details, add integrations, update the do not contact list, or create an API key to connect Salesforce to your desired apps. If all of this seems seems complicated or overwhelming, I suggest taking a peep at a tab that I intentionally did not show throughout this whole tutorial. This is the Agent Frank tab. You have an option to book a demo and unlock Agent Frank, AI sales agent that can automate everything we just went over. Agent Frank will create mailboxes, set up sequences, find leads for you, and even automate outreach as well as conversations with your leads. So the only thing that's left is to take sales calls and close deals. I'll leave all the links down below in the description. But if you're more curious about Agent Frank than Salesforge and other products we have, I suggest taking a peep at this video where I explain how Agent Frank works and how you can hire him today.